Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today, we are going to learn about writing half, quarter, three quarters, and 1 1/4 in decimal form. Dear children, in your previous classes, you have learned about writing half, that is 1 upon 2, quarter, 1 upon 4, three quarters, 3 upon 4, 1 1/4, that is 1 upon 4 in fraction form. Now, the same thing we are going to learn today to write in decimal form. Let's start. First one, half. Half in fraction is written as 1 upon 2. Now, you can see the denominator over here. The denominator over here is 2. Now, in fraction, I have already told the denominator should be 10 in the multiples of 10. So, here we can, you can divide 10 by 2. So, when you divide 10 by 2, you get 5. So, when you multiply 2 into 5, you will get the denominator over here as 10. So, if you are multiplying in denominator by 5, you are supposed to multiply it by numerator also. So, 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 into 5 and 2 into 5. So, we get 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 in decimal form is written as you can see the denominator over here is 10. So, you will write your major number, that is 5, and 10. So, 1 0 is there in 10. So, from behind you will put one decimal. So, it becomes 0.5. Children, you can multiply it by 50 also. Why? Because you will get the denominator as 100, as 2 is divisible by 100. Now, 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 into 50 upon 2 into 50. As you are multiplying the denominator by 50, you are supposed to multiply the numerator also by 50. So, 1 into 50 is equal to 50 and 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 50 upon 100. So, you will get 0.50. How you are getting, children? 50 we will write as it is. In 100, there are two zeros. So, from behind you will put two decimal point, 1 and 2. So, you will get 0.50. So, dear children, half, that is 1 upon 2 in decimal form is written as 0.5, or you can simply say as 0.50. Both are correct. Next one is quarter, that is 1 upon 4, and 3 quarters, that is 3 upon 4. Now, you can see both the denominators over here is 4, and 4 is not at all divisible by 10. So, we need to think about the next number, that is 10 into 10 we will get as 100. Yes, dear children, 4 is divisible by 100. So, now 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 cannot be made into fractions with the multiples of 10, as 100 is divisible by 4. So, we will multiply with such a number that we will get the denominator as 100. When you divide, children, 4 by 100, you will get 25. So, here in numerator and denominator we will be multiplying by 25. So, let's take first the quarter, that is 1 upon 4. A quarter, 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 into 25 upon 4 into 25. We will get 25 upon 100. That is equal to 0.25. How we got 0.25? We will write our major number, that is 25. In 100, we can see there are two zeros. So, from behind we will put two decimal point. That is, we will get 0.25. The next one we will take 3 quarters. That is 3 upon 4. So, 3 quarters is equal to 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25. It is compulsory to multiply in numerator and denominator with the same number, that is equal to 75 upon 100. that is equal to 0.75. We have written the major number, that is 75. In 100 there are 2 zeros, so from behind 2 decimal point we will put. So a quarter, that is 1/4, in decimal form is written as 0.25, and 3 quarters, 3/4, in decimal form is written as 0.75. Children, you are supposed to remember this lifelong. Now to write 1 1/4 in decimal form. Now in my previous explanation you know how to write a quarter. So 1 1/4 we will write in mixed fraction, that is 1/4. We will copy 1 as it is. 1/4 is written as 0.25. So 1 plus 0.25 we will get 1.25. So 1 1/4 in decimal form is read as 1.25. Next, 1 1/2. In mixed fraction it is written as 1/2. That is equal to 1 we will write as it is. Now half is written as, either you can write 0.50 or you can take it as 0.5. So 1 plus 0.50 you will get 1.50, and 1 plus 0.5 you will get 1.5. So 1 1/2 is read in decimal form as 1.50 or simply 1.5. Both the things means the same. Next, 1 and 3 quarters. 3/4 it is in mixed fraction. Now 3/4 we know that it is written as 0.75. So 1 plus 0.75 we will get 1.75. So 1 and 3 quarters in decimal form is written as 1.75. Lastly, 17 1/2. 17 we will write as it is, and 1/2 half is represented as 1/2. In mixed fraction, 17 1/2 is written as 17 1/2. Half you can write as 0.50. So 17 plus 0.50 we will get 17.50. Or you can write half as 0.5. So we will get 17 plus 0.5 as 17.5. So 17 1/2 in decimal form is written as 17.50 or 17.5. Both the things means the same. I hope you must have understood my explanation. Now let us solve problem set 40. Let's start. Question number 1. Write the following fractions as decimal fractions. First one, 2 1/2. Now we are supposed to write the first step in mixed fraction. So 2 we will copy as it is. Half is written as 1/2. So 2 1/2 in mixed fraction is written as 1/2. Now we need to convert 1/2 in decimal form. So we will see the denominator. Children, here you can take in the multiples of 10, as 10 is divisible by 2. So either you can multiply it by 5. Here I have taken by 50. First I'll explain you by 5. Now 1/2 is equal to 1/2 into 5 and 2 into 5. So you will get 5/10. That you can write as 0.5. Or children, you can take 1/2 is equal to 1/2 into 50/50. You will get 50/100. That is, further you can write as 0.50. Now what we have done over here is, I have taken by 50, by the multiples of 50 we have multiplied, so we get the multiple as denominator as 100. Now here 0 cancel, what remains is 5/10. 5/10 is written as 0.5. Now children, half is written as 0.5. Now 2 is remaining. 2 plus 0.5 we will get 2.5. So 2.5 in decimal fraction or decimal form is written as 2.5. Therefore, 2.5 is equal to 2.5. Second one, 2.25. 2 is written as it is, quarter is written as 1/4. Now 2.25 in mixed fraction is written as 2, 1/4. Now you can see the denominator over here is 4. Now it is not divisible by 10. So we will take the next number, that is 10 into 10 is 100. So yes, 100 is divisible by 4. That is, it is coming in as 25 times. So 4 into 25 we will get as 100. Now 1/4 is equal to 1 into 25 upon 4 into 25, which we will get as 25 upon 100. That is equal to 0.25. Now how we got 0.25, children? 25 we will copy it as it is. Now in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So from behind we will put a decimal point. So we get 0.25. Now 1/4 in decimal form is written as 0.25. We got 2. So 2 plus 0.25 we will get 2.25. Now 2.25, that is 2, 1/4 in decimal form is written as 2.25. Third one, 2.75. 2 we will copy it as it is. 3/4 is written as 3/4. So in mixed fraction it is written as 2, 3/4. Now you can see the denominator over here is 4. So we are supposed to multiply it by 25, as you know the previous explanation. So 3/4 is equal to 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25. That is equal to 75 upon 100. That is equal to 0.75. Now 2 plus 0.75 we will get 2.75. So 2.75, that is 2, 3/4 is equal to 2.75 in decimal form. Next, fourth one, 10.5. 10 we will write as it is. Half is written as 1/2. Now 1/2 you can either multiply it by 5 or you can multiply by 50. Here I have multiplied by 50. 1 into 50 upon 2 into 50 is equal to 50 upon 100. Here 0, 0 gets cancelled. What remains is 5/10. 5/10 in decimal form is written as 0.5. Now adding 10 plus 0.5 we get 10.5. So 10.5, that is 10, 1/2 is equal to 10.5 in decimal form. Fifth one, 14.75. 14 we will copy as it is. 3/4 is written as 3/4. In mixed fraction it is read as 14, 3/4. Now we got 4 over here, so obviously we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 25. So we get 3/4 is equal to 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25. That is equal to 75 upon 100. That is equal to 0.75. Now 0.75 we need to add by 14. 14 plus 0.75 we get 14.75. 14.75, that is 14, 3/4 is equal to 14.75 in decimal form. Sixth one, 16.25. That is written as 16. Quarter is written as 1/4. In mixed fraction it is read as 16, 1/4. Now you can see the denominator over here is 4. So we need to multiply it by 25. So 1/4 is equal to 1 into 25 upon 4 into 25. That is equal to 25 upon 100. That is equal to 0.25. 16 plus 0.25 we get 16.25. 16.25, that is 16, 1/4 in decimal form is written as 16.25. The last sum of this problem set, 28.5. We will write 28 as it is. Half is written as 1/2. 1/2 you need to take the denominator as 100 or you can take it as 10, never mind. So I'm taking here as 100. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 into 50 upon 2 into 50, that is equal to 50 upon 100. Here 1 0 gets cancelled, 1 0 gets cancelled. What remains is 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 is written as 0.5. 28 plus 0.5 we get 28.5. So 28 and a half, that is 28 1 upon 2 in decimal form is written as 28.5. Or you can read it as 28.50 also. It means the same. So my dear children, always remember half in decimal form is known as 0.25. Quarter, that is 1 upon 4, in decimal form is 0.25. 3 quarters, that is 3 upon 4, in decimal form is 0.75. 1 and a quarter, that is 1 upon 4 is equal to 1.25. 1 and a half, that is 1 upon 1 and a half, 1 upon 2, that is 1.50 or 1.5. Lastly, 1 and 3 quarters, that is 3 upon 4 in decimal form is 1.75. Thank you, my dear children. Please do complete your notes. Please study on regular basis. Practice your sums. Till then, stay home, stay blessed, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.